So think about what other traders are likely to do in the market. So that's the previous session high. So the market goes up to that high, rolls over, and the most basic of trading ideas will be, oh, let's go short at the previous high. Like the other thing too, of course, is just the way the market has been accepting prices at particular levels. So prior to moving down, where was the market really accepting prices? There. This was all pre-existing. Market didn't give two hoots about this coming back to it. See how it hasn't really changed. So not only you've got shorts selling off the high, which as I said is pretty lowbrow, pretty amateur. You've also got traders not realizing that this is not as significant acceptance as the area up here. So what did I say about going long? We'll get flat at weekly into that, then only look at getting long again once we're convincingly above it. And then you add to that some other little things like some themes. So maybe we get up to the third deviation, which we haven't yet. Understandably, expansion, we go into complex. That's normal stuff. And then you have a look at some other things that are in play. Well, we saw the Dow get off over 80 points and it's now down to minus 20. Look at all the short inventory in here. Plus, we've seen the market fail to let these sellers get on side. So I can just build a much stronger case of evidence for a long opportunity than I can a short. So you either let the market tell you and you have an open mind, or you try to look for ideas to suit what you want to happen. And the good thing is, from a trading perspective, there's lots of people that fall into that category, who have an idea and then look to just try and find something to justify it. But really it's bullshit, and that's why they lose. Data coming again. So we've got a little bit of an interruption to the flow, obviously. Certainly haven't forgotten about those who are going short off the prior session high. Just think about the way the market doesn't like to let traders off the hook. If you start getting short down here, obviously you get hurt once, now twice. And that's those who were shorting off Friday's high being caught. They're at that third deviation, so been able to capture that a couple of times, once on the downside and also to the upside. I mean, it's not just that, obviously, it's just multiple points of evidence. And that was the kind of last bit of a hoo-ha of traders getting done on the short side. And I'm going to call it a night because we've just had a big move. It's pretty expanded again. Now we'll go into the complex phase.